right, smart baby. Go ahead, do it. Good job. Do it again. You get it? Which one is it?
There.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Yay. You're so sweet. All right, do another one. How smart the baby is. Ugh. Is it that one or is it the one on top?
Yeah.
No. Where is it?
Yeah.
No. Come on, silly girl.
Yeah.
Here it is. Good job. So smart. You're going to give me a hug every time? I love it. Where does that one go?
There.
I don't know. Is that where it goes?
Yeah.
Yes. You're so smart.
Yay.
Yay. I love the hugs. Do another one?
Yeah.
Where does that one go? Where do you think? Does it go there?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I don't think so. Look at the shape. What shape is it? Where does it go?
Yeah.
No. There it is. Yes. Oh, you're so smart. Oh, more hugs. Love it. Where's that one go? Is that where it goes? Try. Nope, I don't think so. Try a different one. Yeah, try it. Good job. Yay, hugs. I love hugs. Do another one?
Yeah.
Where's that one go? There it is. You're so smart. I love it. Oh, my sweet baby. Is that where it goes?
Yeah.
Try it. Stick to you? Good job. Oh, you're so smart. That was a hard one. Where's that one go? Look at it. There it is. Yeah. Oh, you're so smart. Yay. All right, do more. You see Grandma, I smart? Tell Grandma, say, I smart. Oh, yay, you did another one. Can you do more? You got a couple left. Let's show Grandma how smart you are. Put it in the right one, silly girl. No, look at the shape. No. Look at the shape of it, baby. It's a diamond. Where's the diamond go? No, that's a triangle. Where does it go? No, that's a diamond, but that's a more of a rectangle one. No. Well, where do you think? Let's try a different one. Pick a different one. There you go. That's fine. Turn it. Turn it. You were right. Get it in. Turn it. You did it. That's the right one. Try it.